Supreme Court ruling dismissed a senior couple's plea to evict their son under the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, 2007, MWPSC Act. Purpose of MWPSC Act: empowers senior citizens, 60 plus, unable to maintain themselves to seek maintenance from children legal heirs. Aims to ensure a dignified life for elderly parents. Obligations: children relatives are legally obligated to provide for elderly parents. Dedicated tribunals and appellate bodies exist to handle maintenance cases. Section 23(1) allows senior citizens to void property transfers, gifts, if the transferee fails to provide basic care as agreed upon. Transfer is deemed fraudulent if condition is not met. Section 23(2) secures maintenance rights even after property transfer, provided the new owner is aware of the obligation. Eviction power, SC clarification. Tribunals can order eviction of children relatives if necessary to ensure the senior citizen's maintenance and protection, especially in cases of breached maintenance obligations. The power to order eviction is implicit under Section 23(2). Competing claims. Tribunals must carefully consider competing claims before ordering eviction. Why eviction was denied? In this specific case, the Supreme Court found no evidence of the son's mistreatment or harassment after a previous tribunal order. Eviction is not mandatory in every case. DV Act considerations. While the Senior Citizens Act allows eviction, protections under the Domestic Violence Act, DV Act, remain valid. Women's residence rights must be carefully balanced against senior citizens' rights. Maintenance definition. The Act allows parents to file a suit for maintenance against their children or relatives to meet the parents' needs so that such parent may lead a normal life.